Hey guys, welcome back to the Node Study video. Guys, in this video we will discuss how can you remove iOS 18 beta or how can you downgrade your iPhone to the older version. So let's check guys, if you have latest iOS 18 and you may want to download iOS 17, so we can do it very easily. So simply first of all guys, you may go back and you may just connect your iPhone to laptop, and guys you may download 3U tool in your laptop, and after this guys you may connect your iPhone to your laptop, and after this you may click here on smart flash, and here guys you may check guys, here are iOS 17.7 RC or iOS 17.6.1. so you may download anyone from here. You want to select, then guys you may install it. So here you may select retain user data from here and your data will not be lost. So after this you may click here and download and install it from here, and guys your iOS 18 will be removed and you can download any version from here easily and install it easily. So by all these methods guys you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos please subscribe our channel.